When it comes to enhancing the value of your Tampa home, many homeowners often think about major remodeling projects like kitchen upgrades or adding a new coat of paint. However, one of the most impactful yet often overlooked improvements you can make is window replacement. Whether you are planning to sell soon or just want to increase your home's overall value, replacing old, inefficient windows is a smart move that can provide both immediate and long-term benefits. Boost curb appeal. Curb appeal plays a major role in first impressions, especially in a competitive real estate market like Tampa. Your home's exterior is the first thing potential buyers will see, and windows are a major focal point. Over time, windows can become worn, cloudy, or damaged, which detracts from the overall look of your property. By replacing outdated or cracked windows, you instantly improve your home's aesthetic, giving it a fresh, modern appearance. This simple upgrade can significantly increase buyer interest, helping your property stand out in a crowded housing market. Energy efficiency and lower utility costs. Tampa's hot and humid climate makes energy efficiency a top concern for homeowners. Old windows, especially those with single panes or poor seals, can lead to drafts, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. As a result, your HVAC system works harder, leading to higher energy bills. By replacing your windows with energy-efficient models, you can reduce heat transfer, helping to keep the interior of your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. In fact, studies have shown that energy-efficient windows can lower heating and cooling costs by as much as 25%. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes that help them save on utilities, and homes with energy-efficient windows are much more attractive to potential buyers. Noise reduction. In Tampa, like many urban areas, can be noisy. Whether it's traffic, construction, or other environmental factors, unwanted noise can impact your comfort at home. Replacing old windows with high-quality, noise-reducing options can make your home more peaceful. Modern windows are designed with advanced insulation techniques that help block out external noise, creating a quieter and more serene indoor environment. This improvement can be especially appealing to homebuyers looking for a tranquil living space. Increased natural light. In addition to enhancing energy efficiency, new windows can allow for more natural light to enter your home, brightening up living spaces. Natural light has been proven to improve mood, productivity, and overall well-being. It also makes your home feel more spacious and inviting. By selecting larger or strategically placed windows, you can maximize sunlight exposure while maintaining privacy. This added brightness can make rooms feel more open and airy, making your home more attractive to prospective buyers. Enhanced security. Outdated windows often have weaker locks or are more prone to damage, making your home more vulnerable to break-ins. Modern replacement windows come equipped with advanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems and reinforced glass. These upgrades can increase the security of your home and provide peace of mind to potential buyers, who will appreciate the added protection for themselves and their families. Return on investment, ROI. window replacement offers an impressive return on investment, making it one of the most cost-effective home improvement projects. According to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost of window replacement when selling their home. The energy savings, enhanced aesthetics, and increased comfort all contribute to making your property more valuable. Additionally, new windows often come with warranties that can be appealing to buyers, reducing their concerns about future repairs or replacements. Environmental impact. As more homebuyers become environmentally conscious, making eco-friendly choices in your home upgrades is an attractive selling point. Energy-efficient windows reduce your home's carbon footprint by lowering energy consumption, making your home more sustainable. Homebuyers who value sustainability will appreciate the benefits of modern, energy-efficient windows, knowing they will be reducing their environmental impact while enjoying lower energy costs. Final thought. In Tampa's competitive housing market, any improvement that can increase your home's value is worth considering. Window replacement is a smart investment that not only enhances your home's curb appeal but also boosts energy efficiency, reduces noise, and improves security. Whether you're planning to sell your home in the near future or simply want to improve its value for your own enjoyment, new windows offer a wide range of benefits that make them a worthwhile addition to any home.